cannot see the Mayon volcano, so weng na lang ang view. We are now here at the municipality of Donsol, and here are the whales. Hi, the whale sharks are here.
Hi, I'm here at Donsol.
The protected species. Hi. We're waiting for the whales to arrive. We are here at the orientation on the whale shark.
I need 2 more.
Okay.
We're about to be complete.
Right.
Dalawa.
3. You must not touch or attempt to ride the whale shark.
Bravest man in town. Bravest souls.
Ngayon. Hi. Hello. Oh. Hi. We are now. We are watchers. Watchers. We are the interactors.
The interactors. What's the watcher?
The
watcher.
Kami,
The Paul watchers.
kami intercoursers.
Who are the divers?
We will make love with the whale.
Sir, give it to me, sir. I shoot you.
Butanding ng tao. Okay. We are now on our way. Si Sir Tom naglalaba. Naglalaba ng damit.
Sir, laba mo. Ito, tanto.
There's Frankie. And we are on the way to site Butanding. So sige.
Ito yung upan. Sir, mga damit.
Okay. Get your gear up. Look. You are on TV. Yeah. Action man. Get your gear up.
Hello. Bye.
Okay.